Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial, and before us is this beautiful question in projectile motion, and it reads that a shooter wants to fire a bullet in such a way that its horizontal range, take note of that, equal to 3 times the maximum height. At what angle should he fire the bullet to achieve this? Now take note, what we're looking for is theta. Okay. However, we are told that the shooter, the horizontal range, which is r, okay, equal to 3 times the maximum height, h. So this is just the interpretation of the question. Please, if you are new to my channel, please like, share this video to every learner so that this will support my page in reaching a wider audience. Thank you for doing that. Alright, follow me. Alright, now the next thing we need to look at here now is to recall the formula for range and the maximum height. And we know that for the range, r will be u squared sine 2u all over g, and the height will be u squared sine squared theta all over 2g. Okay, so plugging in this into the equation here, we end up having that u squared sine 2 theta rather, sorry for that, then all over g, which is the acceleration due to gravity, then equals 3 times the whole of this. Okay, that will be 3u squared, then sine squared theta, then all over 2g. Okay, now I'll be doing a bit of mathematics, although physics and maths are related. Now, if we have, let's say, AB, okay, equals, let's say, BC. Now, as long as we have a common term between the left hand side and the right hand side, we can as well just eliminate this B, and we end up having A equals what? C. Alright, let us now apply this rule here. Now here you have u squared, here you have u squared. We can eliminate that. So this, we eliminate this. Alright, now we have here G, and we have here G, we eliminate. Okay, alright, so we're now left with sine 2 theta now, and 3 on the left hand side, 3 sine square theta on the right hand side. Now let us take note that this particular sine u theta can also be expressed according to trigonometry ratio, or identity rather, as 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, then which gives us 3. Then sine square theta simply means sine theta times sine theta. Okay, now for those of you that might be wondering how this is, now let me just give you a hint of it quickly. Now this is something as saying that sine into theta plus theta gives us sine theta cos theta, then plus cos theta sine theta, where this gives us sine 2 theta. Now the whole of this, since this term and this term are the same thing, so it becomes 2 sine theta cos theta. So this is how this is gotten. So from here now, still applying, now you can see we have sine theta here, we have sine theta here. You can just eliminate this, and where is that? Okay, eliminate this. Sorry, we have over 2 here. Okay, so let's multiply both sides by 2. When multiplying, we have 4 cos theta equals 3 sine theta. Okay, let's multiply both equation by 1 all over 3 cos theta. So here you have 1 all over 3 cos theta. Okay, now this eliminate this, and 3 eliminate 3. Okay, so we are left with 4 over 3, then equals sine theta over what? cos theta. And this is same as saying 4 over 3 equals what? Tan theta. And to this tan here, we can say that tan theta equals 4 divided by 3, that should give us 1.333333. So 1.333 continuously. So we'll find the inverse of tan. That will be tan theta inverse. That will be 1.3333. So approximately that should give us 53 degrees. Alright, thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.